That's perfect on how to get the screws in place. It's somewhat perfect, but it's acceptable. That's how not to put a screw in a board. Look at that. We gotta put like so much of the tip in there to try to extract that. That's wrong. First of all, the wood is somewhat uncured or green, so you need to leave this screw head out, so in the event that the board is drying out, you can come back and torque it. Now the young man that did this right here is perfect. Look at that. That's a perfect example of how the screw needs to make contact with the wood. So in the event that this is drying out, you can always come back and torque it a week or two or a month or so later. Give thanks and praise to Jaja. I'm proud of myself. There was several screws, like 6 or 8 of them, that was like almost, the head was like 3/4 inside the timber, and I got it out at the first try. This is another way how to extract a screw. Just push down on the thing and then they taught me that. Make sure you hydrate. About to cut the 3 pieces for here, and this area is all golden. Future views. So over here from this bottom edge down, we're 7 feet 5 clearance. We're getting ready to cut our breakfast burrito. We're getting ready to cut our 3 pieces. Yeah, I have to cut that later. Making my way to the back area. We already got started back here. Let me sneak by you there. Better?
Yeah, sure.
All right.
Right there.
You want- No, it's fine. We'll take that.
This way, this one.
Here, already scribe and mark this one for me. Put your hand already hit record. Hype us up. We work for like, share, and comments. Breakfast. You say breakfast is the meal that helps the day go better, right? There we go. To you and me. Muy delicioso. I could check this one right here. Right here. Yeah, that's it.
Why you gotta be so rude? Leave it. When I tell you something, too short. Too short too? Yeah, why not?
Oh boy. That's unfortunate.
Huh?
That's unfortunate. Put it back up. Put it back up. Come on, get up close. Put it back up. Release it with parking wall.
It's too hard for Why you gotta be so rude?
So this is a medicinal plant right here. You can use it if you harvest it at the right time. It can be rolling paper, and it's one of the most safe and healthy rolling paper. Bears food, medicine as well.
Right now, right now.
That's clever how they took the square there off the ground.